Go.
Hi! So the object that I have chose to present to you all is a hairdryer. So to begin with, we are going to talk about the user. So the user of the hairdryer is for girls or boys, and sometimes for hairdressers as well. The function of a hairdryer is to help people to dry or style their hair. Sometimes it helps if it's a bit frizzy and a bit messy. It helps to blow dry your hair to make sure that it's beautiful and neatly styled, and people feel more confident when they sometimes blow dry their hair. The design of a hairdryer is, as you can see, so it has a plug which you would plug into the wall, into the socket. It then has a wire, and inside the wire is the electricity that runs through. It then has a plastic covering on the outside, and then I'm not sure if you can see, but inside there is a fan, and this fan spins round when it gets plugged into the electricity, and it then does something with the coil and it blows out the hot air. And as you can see, there would be the hot air. You flick the switch and it then has different speeds as well of how fast you would like to blow the hot air out. And also for my hairdryer, there's this button which I can push to sometimes if I want it to be a bit cooler as well, which is fantastic. And the need of a hairdryer is because I think to stop people, if they were going outside and it was wet their hair, sometimes people say that if we go out with wet hair we might get a cold or a flu, so we sometimes have a hairdryer as well to help then. And sometimes people, if they want to straighten their hair or curl their hair, we have to blow dry it before we do that, and it speeds up the process of drying hair. So yeah, so this is what I have chosen to present, is a hairdryer. Can't wait to see all of yours. Woo, well done.